I get asked this question a lot about what is Cambly and how can I subscribe to Cambly. First of all, let me tell you what is Cambly. It is a platform that gives you the opportunity to practice your English with native English speakers from America, Britain, South Africa, Australia, and definitely your English will be great with those people because they are really easygoing and friendly, and you can express your thoughts. Even if you are making mistakes, it's totally fine because you are not an exam. You are like in a, you can say like a friendly conversation. There in Cambly, there are 100 tours all day long, 7 days a week, 24 hours. You can practice your English online from home, at night, in the morning, when you are having free time. You can just hit the red button and call your favorite tutor. You can find tutors that are down to conversation and having a friendly, funny conversation. And I believe having funny conversations is the key to improve the fluency, as I did in my previous conversations. And if you're interested in grammar structures and understanding the grammars, they are ready to help you and give you the resources or even explain to you because they are native English speakers and they used to speak with grammar rules in their daily life. So it's really easy for them. The second question is, how can I subscribe to Cambly? First of all, you need to download Cambly application on your cell phone and then register via email. And then you need to take a look on the packages and choose your favorite package, like a suitable and affordable package for you. And there are so many packages like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, 2 days a week, 3 days a week, 5 days a week. It's up to you. When you want to pay, you need to pay by credit card like a MasterCard or Visa card. Eventually, Cambly will accept your payment method, and then you will practice your English at the moment as Cambly accepts the money. And that's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Bye bye.